Welcome back to Leftovers with Annie. I am Annie, your host. And remember, each week I receive a mystery product in this bag that I need to figure out how to use at home. And don't forget, click that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any of these projects. Let's take a look and see what's in the bag this week. Oh my goodness, what am I going to do with 8 color samples? I've been decorating a lot for the holidays. As you can see, I've even decorated my workshop. I know exactly what to do with all these color samples. I unpacked these clear ornaments when I was getting all my holiday decorations done. And I know that every one of you has some leftover cups from parties you've had. I'm going to show you how to use them. I have such a beautiful array of color samples. I'm going to take all of this and show you how to make some colorful holiday decor. Make sure you tip the ornaments upside down as you place them in the cup. This way it covers the ornament better. Look at how fantastic these ornaments turned out. It is the perfect addition to my workspace. This was a fun, easy project you can do and a project that the whole family can get involved in. Look how every one of these is uniquely different. There is no right or wrong way to do these ornaments. They are a perfect addition to your holiday tree.